A very happy greeting, dear friends. Hope you are watching and listening the super secret in your thoughtful spirits. My name is Shrikant Gupta, and we are feeling great to share one of the super secrets and foundation of all secrets to learn English automatically like our native language. But before we speak about this super secret, would like to share an anecdote, means an amusing story to amuse you. Guys, this is the incident happened long back in China when Chinese authorities realized that FDI, foreign direct investment, is often happening in India and the multinational companies are investing in India because of Indians' English language skills. They felt bad and understood the importance of English. The Chinese authorities organized an international conference and invited all the English language experts of the world. They raised only one question among all the language experts: what is the topmost methodology to learn English automatically in faster, better and greater way? And you will get surprised that all the language experts from the world came out with a unanimous answer that the only way to speak and understand English faster, better and automatically is thinking in English. When you think in English, you no longer translate, you no longer think about grammar or pronunciation, and you feel that language has become a deep part of you, just like your own native language. As you think in English, words flow out of your mouth quickly and easily. Speed is the most obvious change at this stage. You are able to instantly understand and respond. The hesitation is gone, the strain, the stress, the doubt, the confusion, all gone. Remember, words come from thoughts only. As you think, so you speak. So think English, speak English, and this is the foundation of all secrets. Now congratulations to all of us that we have completed the series of 7 super secrets to celebrate English. Now, based on the students and audience demand, we are coming with the most powerful pronunciation rules to help you to celebrate English in most effective and efficient and correct way. Our next video will be based on commonly mispronounced words which we use often in our daily activities, and you will be extremely astonished that 95% people make the wrong pronunciation of such words. So we admire your love and support to help us to accomplish our mission. As you are already aware of, Celebrate English community has a mission. Dear friends, it's not I mission, it is we mission. It is not my mission, it's our mission. And I plus you equal to we. My plus you equal to our. And our India equal to skilled India. So let's recall our mission, and Celebrate English community has a mission to make India a skilled India. And language skill is an essential skill to accomplish this mission. Let's come and join hands together to explore new opportunities for the better growth of every citizen in India. We together, as the member of Celebrate English community, will create a new country, a new India, a skilled India. Thank you so much.